Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Carlson. Here in the office, we perform a wide range of both medical, surgical, and cosmetic procedures. Botox is probably the #1 cosmetic procedure that we perform on a weekly basis. The best way to truly conceptualize this procedure is to take a first-hand look. Let's go check it out. So for our patient today, we're going to be focusing on the forehead lines, the glabella, which is the area kind of at the root of the nose, between the eyes, and then also her crow's feet. Most patients state that they don't really feel the little prick from the needle. Go ahead and scowl for me so you can see how these lines are being accentuated, and go ahead and relax. There are two main muscle groups that I'm targeting in the glabellar complex here. The medicine is going directly into the muscle. In certain areas like the crow's feet, you can actually inject the medicine more superficially just on top of the muscle. Again, the whole goal here is relaxation of those muscles and softening of those lines that are produced from muscle activity. So you can see these horizontal lines that are produced as she raises her eyebrows. Those two can be softened with Botox. Botox has become the #1 procedure in the United States for the last 5 years running. And last but not least, we're going to touch up her crow's feet. Botox typically lasts anywhere from 3 to 6 months. I like to tell patients for the first time that generally it's more like 3 months. And as far as instructions after the procedure is done, we generally want the patient to actively use those muscles for about 30 to 45 minutes after the procedure. This actually allows the Botox to more actively bind to the muscle, tend to get quicker results. We want the patient to remain upright for about 2 to 4 hours, to not exercise for the next 24 hours, and results typically begin to become apparent within 1 to 2 days, and typically max out at about 5 or 7 days. So we are back here in the office 10 days later with our Botox patient. Let's take a look at the results. So as a recap, on our patient here, we treated the horizontal forehead lines, the glabella, and the crow's feet. So go ahead and raise your eyebrows. So you can see a definite softening here of these forehead lines. Scowl for me. Seems a little bit more difficult for her to produce those 11s or those lines that are produced between the eyes. And then big smile for me with the crow's feet, just a lot softer. I don't see any bruising today. Things seem to have went as planned.
Call Eastside Dermatology today to schedule a free Botox consultation.